So, hey YouTube. I don't know why I keep doing these videos without Gavin and freaking everybody, actually, our whole team. But, it's just fun. Like, 12:15. I'm not little anymore. I'm just kidding. That's for my, I don't know, actually. I think it's for my nephew. The only reason is that he's at his mom's house because my brother got in a problem with his girlfriend, so yeah. She's with somebody else. My new boat. My mom's leaving. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. My mom's leaving. I have to wait till she gets all the way down the street. Then that's when we can get on this. Okay. Wait till she turns. Oh, now I gotta really poop. Serious. I got to poop. Okay. Wait until the poop feeling goes away. Getting off my new boat. Okay. Warning. Do not use boarding steps while running engine. Well, we're kind of on land. I don't think the engine will be on. Or else I turn it on. Dun 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 dun. I don't get the key. The only creepy thing about this boat is when you step back here, looks like a really creepy smiley face. Really creepy. I'm glad I didn't go out the front door because you would have saw something nasty. Let's go see what my kitty brought. If you're guessing it's a mouse or something, you guessed wrong. My dog, my cats are like serial killers. Like a year ago, my dog killed a raccoon, and today my cat killed a bird. I don't know how this happened, and bring it home. There was something on it. It's just nasty. That's really cool. I like it. I want it now. Just please give it to me. Hey, Gavin! Hey. Bubble Bro! See? The video ain't about me. What? Yeah. I was home since yesterday.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I gotta go down the zip line.
Are you recording?
Yeah.